A meta-analysis of 10 randomized controlled trials was published showing just how effective the low FODMAP diet can be for patients with IBS. Now, even though you were probably taught at IFM that you need food sensitivity testing before starting a diet, the reality is most functional GI disorders respond really well to the low FODMAP diet. You can see here some of the randomized controlled trials with improved outcomes and lower symptom scores. Now, the low FODMAP diet is a little tricky. Your patients will need a little guidance. Here's what you do. 1, tell them they don't have to be perfect. Instead, focus on the foods that are most likely to cause symptoms. That's milk, garlic, onions, broccoli, apples, dried fruit, and nuts. And then 2, tell them they can stop making changes when symptoms come down. The final takeaway here for practitioners, please skip unneeded tests whenever possible and guide your patients directly to an effective diet like the low FODMAP diet here. You're going to get better outcomes and your patients are going to be happier because you're going to save them time, money, and they're going to skip the worry that comes along with food sensitivity testing.